Hey guys, it's Monday, and as you know, I reply my comments on Discord and YouTube on every Monday. So let's dive right in and check what you have been asking for this week. So first, we will see in the Discord. Okay, so I'll put the link of Discord community again in this video. So if you haven't joined yet, you can do. So first, I'll go to Niagara Help and see what comments I have. So I have replied till here. I already followed this tutorial, but I would like something 3D. I was wondering if the best method would be using initialized mass production sprite module to dive into the beam emitter, or if you could recommend another method. Thank you. So he's asking for no, previous video. He was asking for this, and I recommended this thing. But I don't know what he's understanding. He's asking if we can use reproduction. So this is actually a material on sphere. If you want the separate thing, you can do it. You can like separate these layers per particle. Like in this black one is a one particle. Then this edge is another particle. This edge is another particle. So you will have 3D volume in it. You have to just split this thing. Don't do it in the single material. Like I think you want this thing kind of thing. Not this. Can you please send me image or anything or reference? You upload a new video answering. Oh, okay, done. Like it. Is it possible in Niagara a light render to set channels so the light only affect element with specific channel like you can do it in the light level? I never tried that. Let's check it. I don't know. So first let me show you what he's talking about. It's talking about channels. So basically if you have this scene and you have something in your scene like this ground or this sphere, you have light, and now this light, let's turn this red. This light is affecting the ground and also this thing. Let me also put the same material because this is white and not looking, light is not working properly. So now this red light is affecting both, and if I duplicating this here and make it green, and I want my green light to only affect sphere, not the ground. So what we have to do, select the light, go here, channel, and there's a three channel 0, 1, 2. So let's say by default everything is on the 0 channel. That's why these are affecting each other. So the green light I make it channel 1 and remove it from channel 0. So now it's removed from the sphere and the ground, but in the sphere it has also channels. I'll turn on the channel 1 also. So now this thing is only work where the channel 1 is unable. So the sphere has the channel 1, so it's working. Now this guy is asking me this thing if this is working in the Niagara. So I never tried that, but let me try this. So let's move this here. Let's move this here. And you know, this is channel 1 and 2. Keep in mind. So I'll take the Niagara. I'll take this. Then I'll just take the minimal emitter. And I'll take first one particle that never dies. And it spawns just once. There's just one particle. And let's make this one particle blue. Okay. So, and I'll also make this local. So now I can drag it here. Okay, now we have to add a light. So I'll add the light render. And the light render, you have a radius and all thing. By default, it will see not working quite because the particle color is not very bright. If I make the color bright from here, let's say it will work. Turn on the effect transparent. Now let's make the radius 5 again. Why it's not working? It should work actually. Let's reset this. I'll just make it blue. Here, I'll make this like diffuse is the scale of color here. It's not working. This is weird. Yeah, now it's working. So it's taking too much value, although it should not work. Okay, so now it's working. So now we have to work on the channel. Let me check. So it has I don't think it has that thing. But if you use this component renderer, let me check if this works. And if I search point light, point light is working, but this is now white. So if I now set the point light setting, let's make this green or anything, or maybe yellow. It's working. Now we have to search for channel. It has channel. Now I'll just use the 2, 1. Now it's working only on sphere. So light render don't have that option, but you can use the component render. And I'll also go deeper in this. And if I'll find that thing, I will make a separate tutorial for you. But I don't think I will not spend more time right now. So let me apply. I did not find channel. Okay, so Niagara have done. Now collab zone. I have something. I made a I made a fun material for a bottle digital sculpt render I'm working on. Okay, cool. But if you'll make some really bright, like yeah, these one. That's cool. Tutorial, nothing. Journal chat. Okay. Greeting from Archie. Thanks for starting this community. Already having cool learning. Can we share how much effect real-time if artists in India earn on average? And I think he is Indian. So let me just India. mm, has, uh, Okay, now effect request. Okay, this thing I have already replied. I will definitely make tutorial if I get time for this. So now this one. Is there a way to turn this thing something? Let me check. This one is my video. Okay, this one is want to make this. So you should check my latest video. Uh, Kind of similar. I don't have tutorial for this, but I will make a breakdown. Let me just put the I down. Okay, so in general chat, but how much after 5 years of experience? I have seen two, five, one, two, up to uh, other on getting feedback. So now I have replied all here. Yeah, all here. Now come to the YouTube community. Okay, first, that's really good. Thanks for the tutorial. Okay, to hear you found it helpful. Amazing to hear. Okay. Can you make something like that for level transition, please? Something like that for level transition. She is my member. Yeah, level transition. That smart flow with stockware. He's telling me or asking me. Okay. Waiting for tutorial. So he's my member and I'll definitely make, but there's a issue, not in making breakdown video, but you'll notice this one is trailer, this one is trailer, and this one is trailer, this one is trailer, this one is trailer. I have lots of trailers and my members waiting for a breakdown video. So I can do that one by one. In one day, I can do one thing only because I don't get much time. I just get, I think, 1 or 2 hours for YouTube per day. I'm not doing YouTube full time. I have a job. So I'll definitely do that. You have to just wait and be patient. So definitely. These are great, but you need to tell us what the software you are using is. Usually I tell what I'm using for the shortcut, but sure, people. And maybe for angry people. Because still at it, I'm impressed. Discord link, he's asking Discord link. So uh, Discord is little confusing for me. I don't get like understand this much. Video 30 minutes for him. Uh, about 6 hours for me, pausing every second. Try to keep it up. You can add. Well, then I'm gonna go have to find something for beginner. I'm decent with Unreal, but new Niagara struggle to follow. I have lots of basic tutorial, lots of tutorial. Mostly comments are just thanks and nice. Can't find the Tora texture. He's asking about the Tora texture. So basically, if I here, this is our texture. I have already lots of tutorial and this file also available or with each of my file where I'm using on Patreon and everywhere. And I have also separate package for that. Tool pipeline, thanks. Discord is asking for the Discord, the link. My schedule one character when I smoke a chili. भाई आपने बताया नहीं मैंने मैसेज भी डाला Discord. He's asking something in Hindi. Uh, what he asked before, I forgot maybe. So I think mostly messages are nice and wow in reactions actually. So I need you to comment more request, ask me things. Where's the tutorial? Basically, this if you'll open this thing, this is the link. This is a tutorial. I don't know why people don't check links, but it's okay. I'll post the link. Hi there, I just joined the YouTube membership. Hoping to find a tutorial for the video, but I can't seem to find it. Can you link the tutorial, please? I can see the project file, but not the tutorial. I don't remember I made a tutorial for the bird flock, but let me check. Yeah, it doesn't have tutorial. I'll need to make it. This one, uh, I don't have to for this one, but he's asking for the link. This is the link, Gumroad. Just copy this. I think that's enough for today. So I'm hoping you guys to comment more on my YouTube channel and Discord and request effects. But you have to be patient because in one day I'll make one tutorial and I have already lots of pending requests. So I have to do that. But you can put your request. If I really like that, I will prioritize that and make that first. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.